Okay, and this is our balcony during the day at dawn. So we have to get your boat out early. Check this out. Nice, yeah. This is our view of the lake. Ooh, here's the boat we probably need. Oh. Oh, that's we'll be taking the next boat. You think it's a whole hour? Well, I think the guy said it was 6:15. So even if it's 7 o'clock or 7:15,
that's only 7 then.
we still have time.
Plenty of time.
Dilemmas. Yeah.
There's a little guy down there fishing on it.
Where?
No, he's moved off.
Oh, there he
is to the right.
Let's see if I can get him. There he is. That's two of the volcanoes. Oh, he's turning. Must not taking his picture. Bye-bye. Mm-hmm.